All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're going to shift gears a little bit today, and we're going to be working on the old Bridgeport here. I've got a small project that I need to finish up. It relates to the Truck 17 restoration, but it's just a little bit different than what we've been doing. I'll bring you over here and I'll show you what we got going on. Okay, so the project at hand here is going to be pretty simple. We're just going to be drilling some 1-inch holes in this tube. What is this, might you ask? Well, that goes to this. And this right here is a big old jack stand paired with that one that is going to go under the front end of the Mack when I go to take the front axle out from under it. I had my welder buddy put these together for me. I told him I wanted some good heavy jack stands that were fairly tall for the front end of this truck. So he definitely delivered. And I'll tell you what, they are heavy. This is 2 pieces of 4x4 by 3/8 angle iron welded together for the main tube for the, I don't know what you'd call that, the piece you put the pin in. And then everything else is built out a 1/4 inch angle, 1/4 inch flat stock, so on and so forth. We're going to find the center of our tube here, and then we're going to find the edge of this top plate, and we're going to be drilling 5 holes. The first one's going to be 1.5 inches down from the very top, and then we're going to have 1 hole every 3 inches going down. So we'll bring it back here right in a second. All right, now that I've got you all zoomed in, we've got our little edge finder here. And basically the way these work is this piece on the bottom is on a spring, and you run your spindle and you slowly creep up on the edge of a surface, and this will touch and you'll see it running perfectly true with the shank of the tool. Then, once it makes enough contact, you'll see it kick off to the side, and that's how you know that you're within a couple thousandths, of being right on the edge. And then what you would do, pick your spindle up and you move in half the diameter of this tool, of the small part, and that'll put your spindle in center with the edge of the part, if you follow that. So I'm going to fire up the phase converter, and we'll go ahead and find this edge, and then we'll find this edge, and that'll give us, directly in the center, and we'll be able to accurately space out these holes now. Now ideally you'd run that at a higher RPM, but I don't feel like switching belts over that many times just for this little project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move in half the diameter of this tool, zero out my dials, and then I'm going to move it in 1.5 inches. Now we just move over this way. Drop it back down. That makes it a little bit difficult because this steel has such a radius on the corner, but there's just enough room to get in there to find the edge of it. Now, in order to find the center going this way, what we need to do, we're just going to take a rough measurement here of the width of it, and we've got, let's call that 3.523. And 3.523, half of that is 1.761, so that's how far we got to move in. I think I'm gonna have to put wheels on these things. Just about perfect. Well, we got one more to do. But I trust these a heck of a lot better than just about anything you can buy. Alright guys, well, that's it for the absolutely massive overbuilt jack stands for old truck 17 there. If you made it this far in the video, just wanted to say thank you for watching, and thanks to everybody that subscribed and likes the videos, and if you haven't, please do. And I guess that about does it for this video. We'll see y'all next time.